Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we measure volume of shapes in Autocad. So for that we have two types of figure here, the circle and the square. Let's draw a rectangle also. Okay, so these are the figures. Now we have to measure the area. So to measure the area, you just have to click on this home button, and here in this utilities group, just click on this little arrow over there, and here you will have the second last option, that is area. Just after clicking on that, your command will be activated and it will say to specify the first corner. So for this square, let's suppose this is the first corner and the next corner is here, again the next corner and the next corner. So the thing is, you have to select this area by this greenish color. Okay, so now it's completed. Now after that you have to click on enter. Just after pressing enter, as you can see here, your area is 3600 square inch and 25 square feet, and the perimeter is like it's given over there, 20 feet. Okay, similarly for here you can use also the shortcut, that is measure geometry, MEASUREGEOM. Enter, select the area, again the first point, second point, third point and the last point. Press enter and it's all given over there. Now what about the circle or the curve figure? To measure the area of the circle, just select this command and then press enter, select the object, and it's done. So the area is 13,734.4 square inch, and this is in square feet. Circumference is given here. So this way you can measure the area of a figure. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.